Hello, I am Dhiren Haria from Chromatography World. I am handling and managing this business since 2009. This company is a group company of LCGC Chrome Consumables LLP. We were authorized distributors for Perkinamar and now we are distributors for Macri-Nagel, Nomura Chemicals, SAS Corporation for chiral columns, GL Science for GC capillary columns, Poly LC and CL, which are dealing with PrimeSep brand of columns. We have our own brands with the name of Colisil for various consumables like columns, vials, septas, syringe filters. We have our one more brand called Gas World, where we have complete gas management solutions with products and services. And we have recently introduced our new brand with the name Colisil, where we will be handling lab instruments. For more technical and product related details, I am handing over to my colleague and who is also the technical director, Mr. Deepak Velani. I am welcoming Mr. Deepak Velani to take you to the tour of products.
Business development and technical support for all India, all the branches. And I will take you to the tour of our product range and I will explain all the things in detail. And let us start the journey. Chromatography World is very, what you can say, great leadership having in chromatography, and we are having dealership in chromatography products, and there we deal with Macri-Nagel and GL Sciences. Along with that, we have started an expansion into the product range which is complementary and can support into the business and our customers. So we are trying to make it a one-stop solution for all the laboratory requirements to our customers. And in that, recently we have added is the Gas World as a brand for the gas management solutions, and Colisil as a laboratory instrument solutions. So we'll start with the Gas World brand and I will explain you the things. So here basically any lab requires, or the use of the gas starts with the regulators. So we have a gas regulators which is the beginning of that, and then it goes into the lab where we have a gas purification panels and control boxes, so and changeover and selector boxes also. So these are the things. In control boxes now we have developed a latest product which is a tabletop regulator or tabletop distribution panel, and here this bench top or tabletop control box gives you a convenience of not having the wall fixing of anything, and it can be directly put onto the table. We have a very compact control box also for the same applications, and along with that we have developed line regulators. We have manifold cylinder manifolds along with the regulators. We have auto changeover with alarm. We have different components and valves also where it is required. We have LPG manifold with regulator which can be applied for the LPG. We have a regulator which is a Hast alloy regulator, and this regulator is used for the corrosive gases and corrosive gases. We have high pressure high flow regulator fitting onto the manifold. We have high pressure high flow regulators even with the flange joints. We have gas sampling solution where we can supply you the gas sampling bottles, or we can give you the gas sampling station. Now, as I have shown you, there were auto changeover with the alarm, and now we have latest introduction is gas changeover with controls. So here the changeover panel has electronic components. So when you go into the lab, in the lab you can see cylinder 1 pressure, cylinder 2 pressure, which cylinder is working and what is the outlet pressure also. And whenever you feel that there is some problem with the existing cylinder in use, you can switch over to the next cylinder sitting into your laboratory with a comfort. So this gives you a very good comfort zone and at the same time control. So we have is mechanical, then alarm, and then complete control. So we have all the three stages in that. Now when we are using gases in the lab, there are leakages, and that leakages also is a concern. So we have gas leak detectors also, but this is the gas leak gas leak detector, which will be set near to your possible leakages points. This is monitor with alarm and flasher. So this can be set in somewhere where it is visualized very easily. So it can be in manager's cabin, or it can be in the safety officer's cabin, or it can be in the security cabin. The latest what we have developed is that it's not only localized, but we have a monitor unit which can be connected with the SIM card, and you can 5 people can have alerts on SMS or by email. So this is what overall description on our gas management product. Along with that, we do a turnkey gas management projects also, and there so now in the gas management, when you have multiple projects and multiple laboratories for GCs and ASICP, you require a detailed gas management and gas distribution system. So we can take a turnkey project also, where you have numbers of GCs, say 40, 50, 70, or whatsoever number of GCs we can take care of, and we can do it with OD, that is nut ferrules, or we can do it with OW, that is orbital welding, also with tagging and everything. So you can know the direction of the flow also, and the service or the gas which is flowing into that. So that is what we have complete over here. So now here I'll show that in the detail over here. We can do the gas management or gas tubing in the plastic material also. We can do it with capping casing with aluminum material also. So this is PVC capping casing, this is aluminum powder coated capping casing. We can do it with the clamping also, which is with the polymer clamping, and we can do it with the SS clamping also. So depending on the customer's requirement, we can give a wide solution on this. So this is something on the gas management. Now I will come on to the instrumentation part. We have a handy gas leak detector which can take care of all the gas leakages. We have a gas flow meter for the GC gas management. We have a liquid flow meter with printer which can take care of measurement of HPLC flow rates. We have a column flushing pump which works up to 400 bar and up to 10 ml flow rate, and it can accommodate 5 columns for the flushing. And this is dual piston. So it has 2 pistons and dual piston pump head. So this is an ultrasonicator which we provide with chiller, without we can provide it with chiller or without chiller, and it can have a heater also. So this is ultrasonicator. We have gas generators which can support GC right from 1 or 2 GCs to up to 10 or 20 GCs. And here we have 2 kind of GCs. One is this is a digital one. So here you have a complete digital control panel, and another is a analog where you have the gauges, pressure gauges, and it works with that. This is a tabletop solution where you have generators which can support up to 2 to 3 GCs, and this can be put on the table. Well, this is a compressor unit, very silent, and it can be kept below the table or over the table also. This is our LCMS gas generator which can support LCMS right from 1 to up to 4 LCMS, 20 liters to 120 liters per minute flow rate of the nitrogen with purity of around 99.5. Thank you. This was all about our instrumentation and gas management solution, along with the chromatography solutions, where we are supplying you GC columns, HPLC columns from very reputed brands. So now I will hand it over to my colleague who will be summarizing everything and will give you the contact details.
Hello. In case any of our product or services has appealed or has any application to you, you can contact us at sales@chromatographyworld.com, chromatographyworld.com, or speed@chromatographyworld.com, speed@chromatographyworld.com. Thank you.